In this video, we're getting real about Everlast siding, whether it's worth your time, how it stacks up against vinyl and Hardie, and what you need to know before making the switch on your next project. So, Everlast siding is kind of like the new kid on the block that's starting to get some buzz, especially if you're over the usual vinyl or fiber cement options like Hardie or LP. What's cool about Everlast is it's made from a composite of cellulose and cement, so it's way tougher than vinyl and doesn't chip or crack easily like wood can. It's also super resistant to moisture and insects, which means you don't have to stress about rot or termites eating away at your siding. Plus, it comes with a solid warranty, sometimes up to 50 years, so that peace of mind is pretty clutch. Installation-wise, it's a bit different from vinyl or Hardie because it's heavier and needs more precise handling, definitely not something you want to half-ass. If you're thinking about switching, you gotta make sure your crew knows the ins and outs, especially since improper installation can kill the lifespan of this stuff. Also, the finish on Everlast holds up well against fading and chalking, so your house stays looking fresh longer without needing frequent repainting. Budget-wise, it's usually a little pricier up front than vinyl, but can save money down the line on repairs and maintenance. One of the biggest issues with Everlast siding is folks trying to install it like vinyl or fiber cement without proper training. That's a quick way to end up with leaks or warping over time. Another common mistake is not properly sealing joints or edges, which can lead to water infiltration and damage behind the siding. Lastly, some installers skip on using the recommended fasteners or spacing guidelines, causing panels to expand or contract improperly and mess with the siding's durability. The fix? Always get a rep or expert involved for job site training before you start, follow installation manuals strictly, and don't cut corners on materials or prep work. BigHomeProjects.com is where homeowners go to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff, whether you're looking for someone experienced with Everlast siding or other materials. Contractors can also use the platform to connect with clients who need skilled pros for their home improvement gigs, making it easier to grow your business and get the right jobs lined up.